Black box testing is a software testing method where the tester evaluates the functionality of an application without the knowledge of internal working or details, code structure, or its implementation. Black box testing focuses on testing the software application's external behavior, including the inputs and outputs of a system, without any knowledge of the software application's internal workings. It ensures that it meets the specified requirements and functions correctly from the user's perspective. This method is named so because the software application from the eyes of the tester is like a black box. The internal details are not known to the testers. The illustration of black box testing is shown in the diagram. The system is considered a black box where the internal working details are not known to testers. The main intention of black box testing is to evaluate the functionality of a software application without examining its internal code or structure from the user's perspective. Some main black box testing techniques are as follows: equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table testing, state transition testing, use case testing, error guessing. Any testing type that focuses on the inputs and outputs of the system without knowledge of its internal workings or code structure is called as black box testing. Different types of black box testing types are as follows: functional testing, non-functional testing, regression testing, user acceptance testing. The main objectives of black box testing: validation of requirements, ensuring the software meets specified requirements and user expectations. Identifying defects, finding errors or bugs in the software by testing various input combinations. Usability testing, assessing the user interface and overall user experience. Regression testing, ensuring that new code changes do not adversely affect existing functionality. The main steps of the black box testing process are as follows: understand requirements. QA team gets familiar with what the software is supposed to do. Create test cases. Based on those requirements, design test cases that cover various scenarios. Execute tests. Run the tests by inputting data and observing the outputs. Report defects. Document any discrepancies and report them for fixing. Some advantages of the black box testing are as follows. Tests are performed from the end user's perspective. A user's point of view will validate the requirements and specifications. Test cases can be designed as soon as the system specifications are complete. Testers need not know programming languages or how the software has been implemented. Tests can be conducted by a third-party team independent of the developer team.